Hi guys, this is the Eskimo of the three amazing estate sale fan finds. This is a Eskimo 2-speed box one. The grills are a little bit rusty, and same for the case, but nothing major. This fan is slightly seized up, but nothing that I can't fix. So, without further ado, here is Hi. Wait a minute. What? Oh, there we go. The switch is broken. But yeah, so I'm going to take off the grills now, and then I'll be back after I do that. Alright, sorry I forgot to film so much, but I got the top a little bit cleaned up. There's a lot of rust on the top now. There's the back. I cleaned up the motor also. I took it all apart and cleaned all the dirt out and whatever. So I put the blade back on, so now I can test it. So here is Hi. Okay, I don't know what the heck is wrong with this thing. It keeps doing that. I just need it to stay low. I don't know, the motor keeps acting weird. Switch will sometimes turn out of position a little bit, so I have to turn it back like that. And then you push it. So now I'm just gonna put the grills back on, which are sitting right over there. So yeah, I'll be back after it's fully reassembled. Alright, the fan is all back together. It's like 2 days since I started the video because yesterday I was at Cedar Point for the day, so I didn't really have time. There's the top again. It's all nice and clean. If you want to read that plate. There's still a lot of rust in the bottom, paint chipping off and whatever. Here's the back. There's nuts that hold the motor together and then nuts that hold it onto the bracket. And at first I forgot to put on the ones that hold on the motor because the motor just holds together pretty well by itself. Like just with all this on. But it was making a bad rattling noise and I think it was because of that, so I put them back on. I just had this fan running for a little while. And it's a pretty good fan actually. The handle, I don't know if I'll ever do anything about it. I don't know if you can tell, but the handle is a little bit broken right there. And there's a break on this side also. And the switch still has the problem, but it's nothing major. So yeah, here is Hi. Sometimes you gotta twist the switch back into position. Alright, hope you enjoyed, and bye.